Sai. Today I'm sharing a beautiful story with you, the story of the tiny wave. There was a little wave in the ocean, and it was so happy inside as you can't imagine. It was flowing with the waters, with the direction of the breeze, and loving it. There was the vast blue sky above, so many big waves safeguarding it in between, and the tiny wave was bubbling up and down and flowing and enjoying life. And it thought, this is what life is all about. Forever and ever, I will be safe here, secure, under the sky, under the sun, enjoying my life. Till one day, suddenly, as it looked on, it noticed a shore, a vast shore next to the ocean. And then it looked carefully as to what was happening, and it realized that every wave, as large or as small as it was moving towards the shore and crashing on it and finishing. The wave thought, oh my God, I thought life is endless. I'm going to be forever in that safe, secure space. What is happening? In just a few minutes from now, I will go and crash against the shore and my life will end. And it got really nervous. It was up and down, not knowing what to do. It could not move back because the wind was blowing it towards the shore. In all of this, a large wave was watching over the little wave, and it smiled and it said, what happened? Why are you panicking, little one? And then the little wave explained everything to the large wave, that I don't want to crash. And the large wave said, just do one little thing. Before we crash on that side, turn around and look towards the ocean. And this little wave just turned and looked. And then the large wave asked it, what do you see? Are you just that little wave? Or are you part of this large ocean? And the little wave said, oh, yeah, I'm not separate. I'm part of this large ocean. So then the big wave said, when you crash, you're still the ocean. You're not that little wave. And the ocean can never crash and finish. You will always, in essence, be alive inside this ocean because you are the ocean. That is our story too. Each one of us in life's challenges, when we crash, we think we are alone. We're going to break, we're going to die, this is the end. Will I ever rise back from this fall? Will I ever be able to recover this loss? Will I ever be able to get over this heartache? That relationship which broke me and shattered me? That most precious belonging that has been taken away? And sometimes it is our health. It can be so many challenges in life that can break us. It is all around. That is life, no? The ebb and the fall. The life has to flow on. There is always a curve up and down. So we are going to be crashing. But till you think you are that tiny wave all by yourself, all alone, you will be scared to crash. You will be scared that this is my end. But the moment you look back and realize, I am a part of this large, beautiful ocean. My Baba is the ocean sitting right here behind me. He is my ocean and I am a part of him. He a part of me. Isn't it so beautiful? The wave is a part of the sea and the sea is a part of the wave. The wave is in the ocean. The ocean is in the wave. So also, I am in my Baba Sai and my Baba Sai is in me. That is the beauty of life. Just as Lord Krishna, when he showed his Vishwaroop, we were all a part of him. The entire cosmos was a part of him. So we are all a part of our Baba. And our Baba is a part of our very soul, our existence. Every cell that pulsates in our body just says, Sai Sai, he's within us. So when there is such a beautiful oneness, why should I fear? Will he not save and protect me? My ocean is all around me, safeguarding me, protecting me. And my ocean is mighty, powerful and vast. I am never alone. I am never weak. When you understand that strength of Baba inside you, you don't have to fear anything in the world. And anything means anything. The greatest loss, the greatest pain also, he will beautifully lift you up into his arms and take you through. Never fear when he is there. And before I finish, there is one more message that comes from the wave. When the wave looks back, the large wave says to the tiny wave, you are a part of this ocean, but can you separate yourself from me? the large wave. And the tiny wave says, oh, actually, I didn't realize. As we flow, we are merging into each other and then merging out of each other. Each wave is getting into each other and getting out of each other. They're all one and they're all separated but never separated because they're part of the ocean. Now comes what Baba taught us in the Satcharita. Baba talks about the unitive existence, which he really professes. What is unitive existence? It is the fact that I can see my Baba in everyone. When we are all those waves, there is the space that you see is a human space that you see, but at the soul level, we are all one. He is inside me, he's inside you, and he's inside everybody else, all of creation. And at the same time, he is the cosmos. We are all inside him. So we are all one. There is no separate being here who does not have Baba within or God within. So just as the waves are all one and a part of the ocean, the entire cosmic existence, each being, each plant, each animal, each star, each mountain, each river, everything is a part of the Supreme, of our Baba, Krishna. They're all inside him. So when we are all one, the Isha Upanishad says that a person who can see this oneness of existence, who can see God within every being, has no reason for grief. He has no reason for tears. He has no reason for pain or suffering. Because when I see my God in everybody, the hurt, the anger, the pain, the trauma, the disagreement, the argument, everything just finishes because you just see Baba everywhere. And when Baba is everywhere, you just feel one emotion, which is Baba, which is love. He's here and he's love. And once I realize that I'm also just love, and I realize that everyone around me is also Baba, is love, there is no reason for fear. There is no reason for differences amongst us. There is no reason for fight, war, nothing. There is just love. So practice this oneness, understand this oneness, and remind yourself every single day, I'm not alone. My Baba is with me. He's my large ocean. I'm just a wave within him, but I am the ocean. I am powerful. I'm not weak. He's holding me. And this entire cosmos is also part of me. I am a part of him. We're all one and connected. And you will feel so empowered and so beautiful. Stay blessed. I love you. Yasai, and may his light always shine upon you. Yasai.
Om Sayom. Om Sayom. Om Sayom. Om Sai Namo Namah. Shri Sai Namo Namah. Jai Jai Sai Namo Namah. Satguru Sai Namo Namah. Om Sai Namo Namah. Shri Sai Namo Namah. Jai Jai Sai